So, how do you see AI and predictive analytics transforming workforce planning from demand forecasting to attrition risk prediction?
That's a very, very nice question. At organizations like Sama, predictive workforce planning and the talent intelligence platforms, they have to be really integrating with each other. But how do we handle the attrition is a very critical question, because that is the challenge which is faced by most of the organizations these days, and keeping up the expectations of the candidates as well. So attrition is, I will just explain what attrition is. Attrition isn't about just people leaving an organization. It is a reflection of how the organization is functioning at its core. Every exit is a data point. Actually, every pattern tells a story, and if the management is really keen and observant related to why the attrition is happening and why people are leaving, then we can definitely address it. So it can be like the leadership disconnect, when employees feel that their leaders aren't that engaged or transparent or inspiring, or motivation lack. And career stagnation is another reason, that absence of growth, visibility, skill building opportunities given by the organization for the employees often pushes people to look outside. One of the critical thing which I've observed is also cultural misalignment. When even high performing team talent leaves when their values don't align with the organization's evolving culture. Organizations are growing, but everyone has their own values. If that is not aligned with the vision and mission of the organization, then that can definitely create a gap, and people may look outside. And compensation imbalance, again, it's rarely the first reason people to quit, but often it's a like final trigger. So how organization can predict attrition is where the talent and intelligence and predictive analytics comes in the picture, and it actually changes the game. So HR has to have an early warning system, something like that. It doesn't label people, but it helps leader to take preventive actions by re-engaging with the employees, providing learning paths, or even having meaningful conversations before it's too late with the employees. At Sama, for example, analytics helped us to correlate engagement data with turnover, revealing hidden drivers. And sometimes it wasn't just pay or a workload, but a manager behavior or lack of recognitions, rewards, recognitions, etc. So we used all these strategies to make sure that we are taking care, or the attrition is within the control.